to the channel. I'm your host, Gearheadgirl, and today we're unboxing this hydraulic vehicle positioning jack. So ideally, you're going to want 4 of these. One thing to note, when you're purchasing these, they either come in packs of 1 or 2. In this case, it came in packs of 1, so we got 4. It comes in packs of 2, you want to get 2. So it's an important thing to check. This particular brand is from Super Cheap Auto in Australia and New Zealand. It's probably comparable to something like Harbor Freight in the United States. So we'll go ahead and get started. So you can see here, we've got our jack, we've got pullers, and you've got your parts list, product manual, and instructions on how to use it. So you just adjust it. You can open it up, fit it around your wheel. Go ahead, turn this clockwise, press this down, lift that up, and you can start jacking it up. It'll condense in. And once it's where you need it, you just lock it with that, and you're all good to go. So pretty simple. There is a bleeder screw. They do recommend as soon as you get these, go ahead, depress the pedal a bunch of times, and then make sure you bleed it, because there's some settling during shipping. But that's how that works. You get 4 of these, and you can roll your car around. Pretty awesome. As you can see here, you've got your bleed screw if necessary. If it works fine, then you don't really need to bleed it. Here are your instructions on here. And the air purge procedure. And you just got that hook there. And that'll come up. See the hook there. And then your knob, clockwise, counterclockwise. And that's about it. You've got your locking pin right there. So we've opened it up. We'll slide it around the tire. Go ahead and turn the screw all the way. I'll just release this down. Pedal comes up. And then you have your wheel all nice and jacked up. To release it back down, just undo that screw. And slide it back up. Alright guys and gals, if you enjoyed this episode or found it helpful, please hit like and subscribe. If you'd like to see more episodes like this, please comment below. And if you're interested in having your product featured on the channel, please visit www.GHG69.com and click get in touch. Alright guys and gals, thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys for the next one. See ya.
Be sure to hit the subscribe button and like and comment if you enjoyed this video. If you want to be awesome and provide support for better content, click on the Patreon link in the description below. Check us out online at gearheadgirl69.com or GHG69.com, or follow us on Instagram and TikTok at gearheadgirl69.